WGU Career and Professional Development hosts a variety of virtual career events, such as career development workshops, drop-in Q&A sessions, and employer-led information sessions and networking opportunities. These events are open to all WGU students and alumni.
Want to know more about a specific career topic, such as resume development or creating an effective LinkedIn profile? The CPD team offers a variety of advisor-led workshops spanning many topics, such as resume and cover letter development, networking, building an effective LinkedIn profile, interview preparation, salary negotiation, navigating career change, job search strategies, and battling imposter syndrome. Our workshops are typically an hour long and offer a combination of advisor presentations or demonstrations, followed by Q&A time. All advisor-led workshops are recorded. Recordings and any resources referenced during the workshop are shared with registrants within 1 to 2 days of the event. Recordings are also housed on our YouTube channel, so you can watch them whenever is convenient for you. Our advising team also offers drop-in sessions to get you answers to your career questions, and fast. These Q&A sessions are a great way to get quick or time-sensitive questions answered by a career advisor. We offer both general Q&A sessions, as well as sessions targeted to a specific career topic, such as resume development, interview prep, or salary negotiation. You can come and go as you please or stay to learn from others. And if you're tight on time, these are an excellent resource. Drop-ins are not recorded, but any resources shared during the event will be shared in a follow-up email.
Employers hosting sessions are looking to recruit WGU students and alumni into open roles with their organization. Employers may offer an industry-focused training event on career or professional development topics. Most often they offer informational events and will typically share an overview of their company, the roles they are currently hiring, the type of candidates they are looking for, and skills and qualifications of top candidates. You can gain professional insights and learn more about the companies by participating in these sessions, and they are a great way to connect with recruiters of companies you are interested in following. Generally, students who register will receive a copy of the recording unless noted otherwise in the event description. For any of the events on this page, you'll see a representative sample of what's available. You can go directly from this page using this link that will take you directly into Handshake to the event where you can register. Alternatively, you can navigate directly from the Events tab in Handshake, and you'll find a number of categories of events here. You can search for an event by topic across any of the categories. If you're looking for employer events, you can look at these 2 categories. If you're looking for the Career Center guidance events or workshops, you can go directly to this event and register for an event and click the register button. Please fill out the pre-event survey and you're registered. At the time of the event, come back to the events page in Handshake and you can go directly to any events for which you are registered. When you click on it, the link will be here available to you to enter the workshop in WebEx. If you have trouble registering for or accessing any of these events, please contact us at careers@wgu.edu. You'll see the link to our email in the description below the video.
Thank you so much for learning about the different events that we offer. We hope you'll join us soon, and we'll see you there.